For our video for today, for Dumabag Inisita's video, we will make you laugh before I start my story about my story in my life. But we have an introduction with my husband here, my husband, my rich man. So, our video, we will laugh. Lingaw-lingaw sa kagabhion. Okay? There was a lady who was walking down the street, and then a man said, paliton ko day,
Palikon ko day,
ang imong kaanyag,
ang imo ikanyag,
ania akong
aniya akong
5 ka piso.
5 ka ko kapiso.
And then I will answer, unsa ba undo? Ayaw, tinunto undo, ngano bag, dili ako maminyo. And say, madubok ikaw,
Madribok ikaw,
bisan, you say, sige na lagi,
sinigalagi,
dili, ngano bag, walay, mulingi, kay ang gugma ko, dili lang kabayran, og 5 lang kapiso. And then you say, tingali unya kag magbasol
imyani ko niya ka labaso,
sa imong pagdili, dili.
pagmapan sa dili,
Then sige na lagi,
sinigalagi,
dili ko, sige na lagi,
sige na lagi,
dili ko, sige
sinalagi.
dili lagi ko dong, hawa diha dong, boom.
Oh.
Okay, that's our video for tonight. It's just a short moment for laughter. He's trying to buy my paliton ko day, ang imong kaanyag, aniya akong 5 ko kapiso, sabi niya. Ang ingon po ko niya, unsa ba undo, ayaw-ayag, tinunto undo, ngano bag, dili ako maminyo. Come on. And then he said, madubok ikaw. And I said, bisan. And he said, sige na lagi, dili, ngano pag dili ako maminyo. Kay ang gugma ko, dili lang kabayran, og 5 lang kapiso. Din you say, tingali unya kag magbasol, say,
Nimyani ko niya labaso,
sa imong paghiklo, hiklo.
may mahikolo kriklo,
Sige na lagi.
sinigalagi.
Sige na lagi. Sige na lagi.
Sinigalagi.
Lawa na diya, dong! Dadan imong kwarta dong dito dong. Dili ko mapalit og 5 ka piso dong. Okay, go and buy some other people there. Good. That's our laughter for tonight. And then we are going to continue what we had. I was telling you about something like about my life. See, I was telling you about autobiography, but tonight I will tell you a story still connected with my loving life as senior. So I was telling you about all my stories when I was here in the United States. I will give you a highlight. One time I was babysitting there. My friend was a single mom, and then I have to help her when she went somewhere, and she requested me to watch his son, but his son was already studying in something like grade 4 or grade 5, something like that. And then her mom, his mom, my friend, used to go out and some marketing work. and so I have to watch the boy, and then even sometimes I will pick him up sa school. So one time, um, every weekend, uh, lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa sa isang sayawan, doon sa sayawan, weekend yon. So sabi niya, bantayan mo muna yung anak ko, tapos mamayang gabi, pagdating ko, punta tayo sa sa sayawan. May sayawan doon every Friday, Saturday, may sayawan, minsan Sunday din. So ngayon nang dumating siya, sabi niya, pupunta tayong sayawan, kailangan tayo na magpera na kahit $5 lang, alam mo? Kahit $5 lang daw, sabi niya. So, paano to? Paano to? Wala akong pera, sabi ko. Wala akong kapera, paano tayo lalabas mamayang gabi? Sabi niya, we can go out, you know what? My son has money, and then we will borrow, and then we will have to give back his money, and then we will give interest. And the son also likes that, because when we return his money back to him, mayroong interest, like we borrow $10, magiging $20 na yon the following week. So ang son niya, ang anak niya lalaki, sabi niya, Mami, meron akong pera, pero yung pera yon ay galing din sa mami niya, tapos pinabaon niya sa school. So marami siya, sabi ko, hey Dong, meron ka bang pera? Hiramin namin, tapos next week babayaran ka namin. Ang $10 mo magiging $20. Gustong-gusto naman niya. Nako, marunong mag-save yung anak niyang lalaki. Sabi niya, tita, meron akong gusto niyo hiramin, kasi kailangan namin magkaroon ng pera sa sayawan, kasi ang drinks noon ay $5. Kung gusto din namin ng bibili ng something like finger food, so at least meron yung mga mga chip, mga chippy, ganyan. So, yan ang ginawa namin. So, sabi ng anak niya, binibiro kami palagi, you're going to a dance, and you will be finding a man, because last time he said, you're the one you paired with that on that night was like a band member of the band member, like with the curly hair, and then said, Auntie Nelly, I saw the picture, and your pair, the one who danced with that night, was like he said, I forgot the name. He was telling me that it looks like with a bigote, and with a you are like from the he was like from a guy from a New Yorker guy. So sabi niya, sige, anong oras kayo alis, ito ng pera, babayaran ninyo na, doblehin ninyo yan. So pumunta kami sa sayawan, kami dalawa, nagpunta kami, late na kami, so kami ng drink, nag-order na kami din, isa kami drink, pero busog kami dahil kumain na kami sa bahay nila. At yan ang ginagawa namin, dahil pag nagbabantay ako sa kanyang anak na lalaki, kain muna kami, tapos pupunta na kami sa sayawan. So pagdating namin doon, I told you already, ang sayaw namin ay circle lang. Sayaw kami. At alam nyo, hindi namin alam ng sayaw. Yung mga lalaki pala doon sa loob ng sayawan, ay nag-circle din sila. Nagpapanggap na, they were also enjoying with the dance with the ladies. About 9 ladies dancing circle. Not pair by pair, but circle. Like, circle. We dance. I remember the music is let's do it down, and down. It's like something like that. It was a live band. And you know what happened? My friend, because we were enjoying that night, my friend left her bag there on our table. We had table. in a small club, sports club, a sports bar. So doon niya ibinigay. She put her bag there, and then we were dancing without thinking that her bag. But I don't usually bring bag, the purse bag, and she brought her bag, the big bag, for all this. It's she said it's very um, nice if you're gonna be bringing bag. So, so all of a sudden, we went back because we were tired. We went back to our table, and then all of a sudden, the bag was not there anymore. And we looked all over the places. We went there, we went there, we went there in every corner of the sports bar. We went there, and we even asked the help of the guard, and then the guard was also helping us, and we went to the park. We went to uh, where we parked, the parking lot. We went there, and then so we didn't find the her bag. And so what we did, it was already 1 o'clock, and the club will be closed at 1 o'clock. So what will we do? So we have to go to police station. So we went to police station there somewhere in Silmar there, and then we went there, and then we reported that we have bag, because she doesn't have much money inside the bag, but all the papers, all the ID, the cards, what you call this, the credit cards, all the cards were there. I mean, it was inside the bag. So, we were begging the cops, the police there in that station. I said, oh, my bag. And so what happened? You know what happened? So the cops, the policemen, were searching, but no, nothing, didn't find it. So what happened? So because her telephone was inside the bag, and her telephone, my friend's telephone, was inside the bag, and the man who stole the bag was carrying her bag already, because he stole my friend's bag. And you know what? Maybe the man was looking for all the numbers in her telephone, and then my phone rang all the time. I said, "Oh my God, who is this? Who is this? Who is this man?" And then she told me, my friend told me, "Oh my goodness, that must be the man, because your telephone number is there. The last number that I called was your number." So I said, "Oh my goodness, what happened to us now? Now we are here in the car." Then she was driving her car, and then what happened? No, he kept on calling. What happened? We have to go home. We have to go home, Nelly. And then Nelly, we have to go home. So we went home. We went home to her place, and then it was only her son who was there. And then so her son was like fifth grade, I think. And so when we came home, when we arrived home, I said, "Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. This man always calling on my phone." So she said, "What will we do? What will we do then in Daylily?" So what we did, we dismantled the lock of her door, and then she changed the lock, because she was thinking that the key of the house was within that bag. So, oh my goodness, that man will come here, and he has the key. So we destroyed the lock of her house. We destroyed it, and we put all the chairs, the tables. So to block the door. So if the man would come to our house, to her house, then the man would be hard, struggling to open the door. So anyway, we were not able to sleep the whole night. It was already 4 o'clock, And we were scared because there were three of us. Her son, my friend, my lady friend, and myself. And we have to go to a cop, to a police station again. We will report again that the man kept on calling and calling. So, but anyway, she called up her credit cards and all those things. She called up everything that's needed to be called up because her paper works, all the paperwork, all the documents were inside her bag. So that was about almost 3 days. The man kept on calling me. He kept on calling me, and then this is Inesita, this is Inesita, stop calling me. So what we did, my friend said, you better change your telephone number. So I did that. So anyway, from that time on, this is a lesson. When you go to a dancing place, public dancing place, remember not to bring any, big bag. If possible, the bag here, like, with a shoulder bag, that with hanging bag, so you will not just be putting the bag on the table. You'll be just bring it along with you all the time. So we love to go out, but nothing happened to us like serious events. But that was the only event that happened, that her bag was stolen by a man. That man was also dancing with the circle, within the circle with him, and he was very friendly. And so we thought that he was friendly. He was a young guy, was very friendly. He was very articulate, and then he was thinking that there was a bag there, there was a purse there, so he got it. So lesson: so don't bring bag in the sports bar where there is dancing, because people will be pretending to dance with you, with the group, and then because you forgot everything what you had there on the table, and then somebody will steal your stuff. Okay, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. This is Inesita, Dumabag Inesita. Again, I will summarize the song that we had with my husband. It says, paliton ko day ang imong kaanyag, ani ay akong 5 ka piso. And then big girl will, unsa ba undo, ayaw tinunto undo, ngano bag dili ako maminyo. And then my husband will say, madubok ikaw. I said, bisan. And then my husband say, sige na lagi, dili ngano bag, walay mulingi, kay ang gugma ko dili lang kabayran og 5 lang ka piso. And then my husband will say, tinghali unya kag magbasol sa imong pagdili dili. And then he would say, sige na lagi. And I would say, no way, sige na lagi day. And then I push him, lakaw na dong. Okay, so that's Dumabag Inesita Vlogs video for today. Thank you for watching.